So okay, so we have this off, so we'll just put this somewhere safe, like so. Now this here, there's two levers, there's a lever here and a lever here. This one has to be pulled up, and this one has to be pulled out, like so. And this will release the headlight, like so. Now, the thing is, on this now, when I take this out, there's going to be electrical connector on this side here. I think it's on this side, and we need to disconnect that. And if we're not disconnecting it, we can use something like this to put it in the bumper, just to make sure that you don't scrape your car. So here we go. Let you come. This one seems to be on the body. Let's have a look. Yes, there it was. Now, so I'll just cover that there. Make sure it does not harm. And we have a rubber backing on here. I take this off like so. Put that over there. And here it is. Here's the bulb housing, and the bulb is in here. So what we do is we twist this. And this goes. This turn. Like so. So you twist it to your left. Pop it out. Bulb should just pull out like that. So we just leave the old bulb there. The new bulb is in my pocket. And it's a H7. H7, very important this car, H7. So we take out the new bulb using gloves so we don't touch the bulb itself. These things need to be these things can blow if you touch them with your bare hands. So we put it back in like so, twist, go around the other side, going down, make it easier for you to see, and just goes back in the way it came out, like so, like that. So we put the back in plastic cover on, take away the towel, slide back in the headlight. There you go. So that's back in. Plastic bolt. Screw it back on, and the job's a good one. There we go. So if you're looking to change the bulb on your Skoda Octavia, I think it's Z2, is this model? It's the Skoda. This is Skoda Octavia in 2010. It's a diesel, 2-litre diesel. No, sorry, it's a 1.6 diesel. I think it is. This one, but I think they should be all the same, whether it be diesel or petrol. Quite simple, no problem whatsoever. I hope you find this video of some help. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share, whatever you like. Thanks for watching. Take care.